Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on customizing the hit and damage color effects on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard, tap the up arrow button on the bottom right to open the menu, and then select Settings. In Settings, select Effects and Settings from the right sidebar. Here you can change the color for hit effects and damage effects, depending on which tab you have selected. Tap any color to change it to that one and it will save automatically. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.